Have you ever felt that there's a hidden power in the earth, waiting to unlock happiness, peace, and abundance in your life? What if I told you that stones and minerals are not just beautiful objects but sacred symbols of transformation and healing? Picture yourself surrounded by their energy, their vibrations connecting you to the very core of the planet. Today, we'll dive into the ancient wisdom of crystals and minerals, tools of grounding, positivity, and happiness. Believe me, by the end of this video, you'll see stones in a whole new way. They're not just rocks, they're pieces of Earth's wisdom, carrying secrets to success and joy. Are you ready to uncover this natural magic? Stay with me until the end because what you'll learn will change your life. Let's explore how to tap into the Earth's energy for a happier, more fulfilled existence. The Earth is alive, a living organism vibrating with energy and wisdom. Every stone and mineral on its surface has its own unique vibration and purpose. These natural wonders can act as powerful conduits for transformation, healing, and happiness. Just imagine holding a smooth crystal in your hand, feeling its gentle hum, connecting you to the Earth's deep power. For centuries, humans have used crystals to attract love, abundance, health, and spiritual clarity. Their natural beauty is matched only by their ability to align our energies and balance our emotions. You can think of them as tools to tune your personal vibration, like turning a radio dial to the perfect frequency. With these gifts of nature, you can clear negative energy and welcome peace into your life. They've always been here, waiting for us to rediscover their magic. Take rose quartz as an example. Known as the stone of unconditional love, it has the unique ability to open your heart to kindness and compassion. Just holding rose quartz during moments of stress or loneliness can create a calming effect that makes you feel safe and loved. Another powerful example is citrine, a vibrant yellow crystal that carries the energy of abundance and joy. It's believed to help you manifest prosperity by shifting your mindset to one of gratitude and optimism. Then there's amethyst, a beautiful purple gem that encourages balance and intuition, allowing you to let go of fear and embrace peace. Each stone has its own story, its own ancient wisdom to share, and all you have to do is listen. They resonate with your energy and help align your path toward happiness, abundance, and balance. These stones are much more than ornaments, they are tools for transformation. They are gifts from the earth, just waiting to be used by those who believe. You can integrate these beautiful energies into your daily routine in simple ways. Start by placing crystals in spaces where you spend the most time, like your home or workspace. Their presence will invite their positive vibrations into your life, creating an environment of calm and clarity. You can wear them as jewelry to keep their energy close to your body throughout the day. Or you can hold them during meditation to help you tune into their vibrations and connect deeply with their purpose. For example, meditate with black tourmaline to protect yourself from negative energy, or use clear quartz to amplify your intentions and goals. It's amazing how these simple rituals can help clear mental blockages and allow you to manifest your desires. Remember, consistency is key. The more you connect with their energy, the more powerful their effects will become in your life. They are partners in your journey, helping you every step of the way. With their help, your life can shift from chaos to calm. Let's talk about the connection between stones and their ability to ground us. In a fast-paced, modern world, it's easy to feel scattered, overwhelmed, or disconnected. Stones like hematite are grounding stones, connecting you back to the earth and offering stability during emotional storms. Holding hematite or placing it near your workspace can anchor your mind and spirit, allowing you to approach life with focus and strength. The practice of grounding is a vital way to reset and find balance when you feel out of sync with your surroundings. Stones give you that direct connection to the steady, solid energy of the earth, reminding you that you are safe, supported, and capable. Think of it as having a reset button for your mind and soul. Every time you feel a bit lost, reconnecting with their energy can bring you back to the present moment. They remind you that you are connected to something much greater. The earth has always held this wisdom, and crystals are a way to tap into it. The beauty of this journey lies in its simplicity. You don't have to be a crystal expert to benefit from their amazing properties. All you need is openness, faith, and a willingness to connect with the earth's natural gifts. Choose a stone that resonates with you, trust your intuition, because your heart will always know what you need. Perhaps you are drawn to turquoise for protection and self-expression, or you feel inspired by jade to encourage healing and luck. Whatever crystal you choose, its energy is always there to support and guide you. The connection between humans and earth is ancient and sacred. Stones act as messengers, helping you tap into their wisdom and unlock the hidden power within yourself. They are beautiful reminders that you are not alone, you are part of this magical, living earth. When you embrace their energy, you begin to embrace your own potential. The next time you walk outside, pay attention to the stones and minerals around you. Nature is filled with messages of balance and beauty if you only take the time to listen. Every stone you find could be an invitation to connect, heal, and rediscover yourself. You can create a sacred space in your home using small stones, candles, and natural elements to amplify their power. Your journey with crystals doesn't have to be about perfection or having all the answers, it's about intuition, connection, and healing. Just as the earth transforms its minerals into gemstones, you too can transform your life by connecting with its energy. These tiny fragments of earth have the ability to remind you of simplicity, nature, and peace. When you listen to their vibrations, you open the door to endless possibilities. Stones are timeless tools, ancient allies helping you find joy in the small moments. Healing is a journey, and stones can be the perfect companions on that path. They remind you that transformation doesn't happen overnight, it's about small, daily practices that lead to change. By meditating with crystals, surrounding yourself with their energy, or simply taking a moment to admire their natural beauty, you create positive shifts within yourself. Every crystal you connect with becomes a symbol of your own power to create change, to manifest dreams, and to live in harmony. Trust in their guidance, believe in their potential, and trust in yourself. The journey toward happiness begins with small steps, with faith in your ability to align your energy with the earth's energy. You are powerful, and the earth has given you these beautiful tools to help you believe that. As we close this journey, remember that you are connected to something much larger than yourself. Every crystal and every mineral is a reminder of the earth's timeless wisdom. By working with them, you're reconnecting with ancient energies and discovering your own hidden potential. If this message resonated with you, I invite you to take the next step, explore crystals, meditate with them, and trust their guidance. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and comment below with your thoughts. What stones are you drawn to? What would you like to learn about crystals and their power? Your journey starts here, and it begins with one small choice. Believe in the power of Earth's energy and discover how it can transform your happiness, your mindset, and your life. Let's connect with nature, with beauty, and with ourselves. Together, we can create the life we've always dreamed of.